Welcome to Gardening Connections with Cyndi as I explore my organic backyard garden in Zone 8B during the spring. And so the gardens come in together, and so today I thought I'd highlight an area of my garden which I just kind of finished off over the weekend. And I have some trellises here. I added a couple more. I think I added one or two more gates this season, but I have my beautiful sunflowers that are happy and attracting bees during the day. It's just really lovely evening and the lighting is nice, so I thought I'd just come out here and capture the essence of the garden, this kind of quadrant of the garden. So we have some sugar peas. I love coming out here in the morning and just chomping on a couple of these sugar peas. They're so lovely and beautiful and delicious. So traditionally they climb all the way up, and so I'll help them with some jute just to stabilize them. But they're coming along nicely. And then I have some marigolds down below here that are starting to bloom, and I like to mix up the color. I have another sunflower here. I was hoping to protect at least one from the squirrels if the squirrels get to the one in the container. Behind this trellis I'm going to put some nasturtium, and I planted some from seed, and then I moved some starts that were kind of random and put them behind there. Added more marigolds, and we have our pole beans here. They're starting to really take off. I'm going to have to give them some support here. And they're doing really well. And then I just planted my cucumbers. I've lost them in the past, and so I waited and until just yesterday to plant the cucumbers. I'm hoping they hang in there because our weather's going to turn the next couple days and warm up above 50, and so they should be safe if they make it through the night and hang in there. And then I have some celery that actually I planted last year and I need to replant. So that's coming along. And I guess I could show off my blueberries here. Got a really kind of a bumper crop of blueberries. I have 5 different plants around the garden, blueberry plants, and so we're going to enjoy those. We have got a little thyme, a white calibrachoa, and I'll circle back over here to my more lavender, heather. We've got another strawberry patch on this side, and strawberries are coming in really strong this year. I have some June-bearing strawberries mixed in with oh, look at that. We've got a strawberry there. Oh, I'm going to pick that one. It's the first one of the season. Ever-bearing I added to it so we can enjoy them all summer. And they're just looking really perky and beautiful. We have more pole beans that are really starting to trellis nicely here, and parsley. I like to keep extra parsley in the little containers to give away as gifts to friends that come visit the garden. And then we have some serrano peppers. I've never grown peppers before, but I moved them to the full sun, so hopefully that's a good place for them. And then I have my other side of my strawberry patch, which unfortunately got squished by some kind of squirrels or something today, because it wasn't like that this morning. And then my lavenders, it's coming in, it's really starting to pop. So just thought I'd check in with you. I just packed up the floating row cloth. That's where my lettuce live. We're going to have some salad for dinner tonight, my squash rows, and signing out. Gardening Connections with Cyndi.